major IPO that we are tracking that is going to be coming up soon by the way of JSW Infrastructure. Suyash, take us through what's going to be on offer.
Yes, Shweta. So the 2,800 crore public issue from the JSW group is all set to come out on September 29th. Now the price band for the issue has been set at 113 to 119 per equity share. Now, if you talk about the issue itself, Shweta, it will be a complete fresh issue. There will be no offer for sale. So basically, promoters are not selling any of their stake. New shares will be only issued. Now, also this will be JSW's first IPO in nearly 13 years. The last time they came out with an IPO was back in 2010 when they carved out their energy business, also known as JSW Energy. Now JSW Infra will use the proceeds from the fresh issue to repay debt of about 880 crore, and the remaining amount will go into funding its capex requirement. Now also, if we can, these are the important timelines. I'll just quickly run you through it, Shweta. So the IPO opens on September 25th. It closes on September 27th. The basis of allotment, which is the date on which who gets how many shares, will be finalized. So that will be on October 3rd. A day after that, refunds will to the shareholders who are not allotted shares in the allotment process will get the refund on October 4th. The shares will be credited to the demat account of the shareholders on October 5th, and the likely or the tentative listing date for JSW Infra is October 6th. Now, if we can also quickly look at the financials of JSW Infra. Now, as you can see, assets have improved nearly like almost 30% from FY20 when it stood at about 7,191 crores to FY23 to the end of FY23 when they were about 9,450 crores. Now, revenue, Shweta, has jumped nearly 2.5 times from FY20 to FY23. In FY20, it was about 1,237 crores. As of FY23, it was 3,372 crores. Profit after tax has increased by a whopping 386% from 196.53 crores at the end of FY20 to about 749.5 crores. The company's net worth, Shweta, which is also the market capitalization of the company, has expanded by 60% in the same time period from 2,488 crore to 3,934 crore. Now, Kranti, this is the first offering from JSW Group in nearly 13 years. What's your opinion on the IPO?
Yes, Suyash, you rightly mentioned that, and given the points towards the JSW Infra is concerned. And last 6 months, we have not seen any kind of significant fundraising. All by and large, mid and small cap space has dominated the IPO market. And we have one marquee name like TVS in the last month, that also from a strong group. Now, the turn is for JSW Infra, which have a strong pedigree, and the company and the group which is more focused with respect to the infrastructure, with respect to the metal sector is concerned, the strong players. Now coming to at this point of time, the pricing is good and also backed by strong marquee names at this point of time. And there is a buying interest with respect to JSW Group is concerned, because the group as a conglomerate, it performed very well in the past 10 years. This is one of the group to observe in the next coming decade also how it's going to pan out. They have been playing the cards consistently very well at this point of time. Investors with a longer term horizon, definitely they can subscribe for this IPO. The good point for this IPO is they're launching at a right time. When the story is just emerging, when the capex cycle is emerging, when the cycle is at an uptrend, the company is coming for the IPO. That's going to benefit, and that's going to attract the interest of both the institutional investors and the retail is concerned at this point of time. JSW Infra is concerned.
All right, sufficient buying interest around JSW Infra and the IPO that is now in works. Kranti, thank you so much for taking time out. Thank you for, taking time out of your busy schedule. I know you're traveling today, but thank you for being here once again on this show.